Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together how to manage work lights and beacons on your Massey Ferguson tractor. Let's start with the controls inside the cabin. On the left, under the steering wheel, you'll find the lighting selector. In position 0, all lights are off. Only the signature lighting remains on. In the position light setting, the front position lamps and side lamps are turned on. In the low beam setting, the main lights turn on. The last position on the right is used to control the use of the working lights when traveling on the road. The tractor automatically switches off the high working lights when you switch from low beam to high beam. The second lighting control in the cabin is on the turn signal lever. Push the control to turn on the high beams. Pull the control to turn off the high beams and switch back to low beam. Pull the control briefly again to flash the high beams. On the armrest, you'll find the button to turn on and off the beacons, as well as 2 programmable buttons to save 2 work lighting configurations. Now let's move on to the work light management menu on the Datatronic 5 screen. Go to the main menu, then to the lighting menu. You'll find a complete screen dedicated to lighting management. As soon as the light selector is in the position lights or low beam position, you can manually turn on the lights on the screen one by one. To save time, you have the option to save 2 work configurations linked to the buttons on the armrest. To do this, first press the button on the armrest you want to configure. Then turn on the lights you want to use in this configuration. Press the button again, the lights will go out. Press it again, the lights will come back on. Any changes made with the button on will be automatically saved. Next, you can configure an automatic function that will turn on the high and/or low work lights when you engage reverse. Click on these buttons. On the left, you'll find the beacon status indicator and the activation of the automatic beacon function. To activate this automation, press the beacon button for 5 seconds. Once activated, the auto indication will turn green, hit the road, and the beacons will automatically turn on when the tractor exceeds a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. The second icon on the bottom left is for managing the use of work lights when driving on the road. When you are in dipped headlights, the light will be green, and when you switch to high beams, the light will be blue. You'll also see the lights turn on and off on the tractor's overall view. On the second menu, you can set 1 or more lights to stay on for a set period after the tractor stops. This allows you to leave a dark shed in the middle of the night after parking your tractor, for example. Select the desired lights on the screen, then set the expected hold time in seconds. Finally, move the lighting selector to the clock position on the left. After the tractor stops, the selected lights will automatically turn on for the defined duration. You now have all the basics you need to use the lighting on your tractor. Now it's your turn to try.